Hello RiverWalk community and welcome back to another monthly update. Time is just flying by as we get closer and closer to the grand opening date. A couple of the major highlights from this month include flooring throughout the building. In units, flooring is completed. Hallway carpet is halfway done. Lobby tile is being installed as we speak, and soon the team will work their way down into the grand ballroom as well. We've had appliance deliveries all week. Refrigerators are going in, stoves are going in, microwaves are in, and the list continues to go on and on. It's been very busy. There's so much to show you here. There's no way I could capture it all in the short amount of time we get every month, but that's why I'm gonna go take some video and show you everything we've been working on and more. Let's do it. That's it for this month, folks. See you next month. Time to go to work.